Kaspa is about to go parabolic, and in this video I'm going to be explaining you why I think that. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be discussing Kaspa once again, so make sure you guys watch this entire video because I think Kaspa is just minutes or just hours away from a huge and a massive rally towards the upside. Anyways, with that being said, let's jump back into the video and let me show you all the things which I'm talking about. If you want to make some serious money while trading crypto, make sure you guys sign up for my trade signal group as soon as possible. The link to it will be down in the description. Guys, as you can see, we have recently closed 2 trades and we were profitable on both of them. On one of the trades, we got a profit of about 254%, while on the second one, we got a profit of about 521%. This is what we do time and time and again. And if you guys want to achieve similar results for yourself, make sure you guys sign up as soon as possible. The link to my group will be down in the description. Anyways guys, with that being said, now let's jump back to the video and let me show you the charts of Kaspa and what they are basically telling us as of this moment. Now guys, if you check out the basic outlook for the Kaspa charts, you will be able to see that the project has been going sideways for the longest time now. And I mean, even though the project tends to pump up towards the upside by 20%, but just after it pumps, it basically falls down to the exact same levels. So basically no such massive movement as of right now is happening. However guys, recently, as you can see, I have drawn a trend line right over here, and Kaspa was basically following this trend line for the longest time, but recently it broke through this trend line, and as you can see, we tried to test this trend line as a support level for various times, but every single time we had buyers lined up and pushing the price for Kaspa towards the upside. I think that in due time we are going to be seeing a rally towards the upside, where we are first going to be able to break this resistance level right over here at a price of about 0.11. Now I believe this is one of, if not the major areas of resistance for Kaspa, because if we check out previously as well, you can see we ran into some major resistance right over here. Again, you can see some sideways action going through here, and right over here, this was the major area where we saw Kaspa falling towards the downside from. I mean, if we calculate from this move, you can see Kaspa almost went down by about 20%, which is a lot because the project was not really going towards the upside and not really going towards the downside as well. Now guys, I truly have really high hopes for Kaspa because I believe in the project's future. I personally believe that Kaspa is the future, and it's going to be, revolutionizing the entire crypto markets by bringing in fastest and the most secure transactions out there. And I personally believe that right now, even if you buy Kaspa at 0.13, or even if you buy Kaspa at like 0.85, I don't believe that any of that is going to be making any sort of difference once Kaspa gets to huge price levels at a price of about $1, $2, or even $5, as some people might believe in as well. I believe there is still long ways to go for Kaspa. The project is just starting out, and it is going to be the first bull market for Kaspa. So, if you guys are watching this video right now, I believe that you guys are still early into, basically accumulating Kaspa. Now, I know the project has already 5x from the time where I have started mentioning the project. But guys, if you basically wait for, these kinds of price levels, I think that you're never going to be able to really buy up any sort of Kaspa, because you're going to be kept on waiting, just like all of the investors who have not really bought in right now as well. I believe the perfect time to DCA into the markets is right now, because right now we are shifting from a bearish market to a bullish market, and whenever that kind of movement happens, we always see a movement towards the upside, benefiting both the short-term investors out there and also the longer-term investors out there who are in it for the massive gains. Now, if you guys are just here for making quick money and make money while trading crypto, I personally believe right now is a really good opportunity to get into some long trades once Kaspa pumps towards the upside, or breaks above this trend line right over here, or say this resistance level at a price of about 0.1137. Now once Kaspa gets a break above this level, I believe you guys should be getting into some long positions where you guys should be aiming in for your take profits at a price of about 0.135. That is about a 20% move towards the upside. But if you do this while using, let's say, about 10x leverage or even 20x leverage, you have a chance to make gains of about 180% to about 360%, or even crazier gains if you guys decide to go with the higher leverage. That's it, guys. The most important support level for Kaspa to look at is going to be this level right over here at a price of about 0.108. If Kaspa breaks below this level, then that means that this downward sloping trending line is going to be correct, and major downfall for Kaspa is then going to be coming our way as well. Kaspa is still not listed on some of the major tier 1 exchanges out there, and I believe that the future of Kaspa is really bright, because once it gets listed to those tier 1 exchanges out there, we're going to be seeing massive amounts of money flowing into the project, raising its overall market cap and raising its overall price as well. Now, if you check out the MACD indicator, you will be able to see that the buying pressure is slowly and slowly getting weaker and weaker, and we're about to have a bearish crossover. However, guys, I believe that the buying pressure is going to be going steady, and it's going to be continuing for the next couple of days. And after that, we're going to be witnessing if we get a massive bullish crossover towards the upside or a massive dump towards the downside. I have to say, by looking at the entire crypto markets right now, the move towards the upside, it has a higher probability of happening than a move towards the downside. You could call me biased because I have tons of money invested into Kaspa, but this is what something I have been running into, and this is what has been working for me, and that is why I wanted to share with you guys as well. Now, if you check out the RSI, you can see the RSI is a little bit overbought. We have 55 on the RSI scale. However, the trend is still towards the upside, and because we have seen a really good movement with Bitcoin, I believe that we can see similar kinds of movement with altcoins as well as Ethereum as well, which are going to be really beneficial for the markets as a whole as well. And yeah, guys, that's going to be pretty much it from this analysis video on Kaspa. I believe the price targets for Kaspa are set. You guys should be loading in if you guys haven't already. I personally think if you guys are long-term investors, or if you guys are using really low leverage, you guys should be aiming for at least 0.17. that is about a 50% move from the current price points. And if you're even taking, let's say, about 5% leverage, that is about a 250% move, which is really good, and something that can really benefit you in the shorter time frames as well. And yeah, guys, that's gonna be pretty much it from this video. I hope you guys got some good insights, and if you did, make sure you guys drop a like on this video, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and as always, I'll catch you tomorrow with another video. Peace out.